Hello again, and welcome to my creative African cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. Hello, beautiful people. Thank you again for joining me for another experience with Fafa. Today's recipe is how to boost our immune system by using ingredients that are packed with vitamin C. So I've got two recipes for you, one as a smoothie and also one that you can enjoy as a tea. Now, if this is your first time, you're welcome, my dearest. Don't forget to click that subscribe button whilst you're at it and the notification button so you do not miss a thing. And to my loyal subscribers, me love you so much. My first ingredient is kale, which contains more than twice the level of antioxidants in comparison to any other leafy greens. Now, it's also rich in beta carotene, vitamin K, and vitamin C, which means it's going to help boost our immune system. Now, I need to wash my kale. I've added my water and salt to just get rid of anything that's onto it. And next thing is I'm adding my ginger. And of course, ginger is good for treating nausea, food poisoning, motion sickness, vertigo, any respiratory ailments, And this is what we need for our smoothie. Next thing is my pineapple. So I did wash my pineapple in salty water as well. And here I'm just going to be peeling the skin off. I'll be using the skin for another recipe which you need to watch to the end to find out exactly what that is. Now, the reason why I've included pineapple in this recipe is because, of course, it's rich in vitamin C. And it also aids the absorption of iron which is in the kale. And it also adds that sweetness anyway. And of course, it's helping boosting our immune system. Why not? Simple ingredients, but they do go a long way. So here I've got my pineapple ready, and of course I'm cleaning my surface with my antibacterial wipe. Yes, absolutely. And now here I've got my kale, my ginger, and pineapple, and some orange juice. I'm going to be blending this beauty together. Here, my darling, is a pint of frothy goodness. Today. Yes, it's best to enjoy this on the day. You know what I mean? Look at that. Now let's move on to the next recipe. Now, you do not throw your pineapple skins away because they also contain vitamin C and bromelain, which acts as a bacteria fighter, mucus cutter, a cough suppressant, and a wound healer, and an overall immune system booster. So, of course, they had to represent. And then we've got our precursor. Now, let me just take some time out to pronounce the scientific name. You know what I mean? Tetrapleura tetraplera. Anyway, the reason I've included this amazing fruit is because it's rich in flavonoids and it possesses a high amount of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits. And also it helps, alleviate any feverish conditions when one bathes with it. So yes, that definitely had to represent. Next thing is our ginger, which helps with our respiratory system as well. And I've got some oranges, of course, rich in vitamin C as normal. And I've got my grains of saline, which helps with bronchitis or most respiratory ailments. And now I'm adding my water, and I'm just going to allow this to simmer to allow the infusion to take place. Have I given you that reason to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet? It's like, now. Thank you if you've done so. And the notification button, which means each time I upload a video, you, my dearest, are notified of it. And just before your eyes, within about 20-25 minutes, it's ready. So I'm serving this with some slices of lime. You can use lemon. You can squeeze some more orange juice in there. It's not a problem. This is ready and it's nice and warm. And it's a great tea to enjoy. This will help boost your immune system with everyday ingredients that we do have. And I implore everyone to follow the preventative measures to the T. Keep your distance, wash your hands with soap and water. In the absence of soap and water, that's when you use the hand sanitizer. Stop overbuying the hand sanitizer and preventing others from being able to have access to it. You're trying to prevent an illness. And if you're only just stocking up for yourself, what it means is you're preventing somebody else from following that procedure. And guess what? It means that you're not eradicating anything. So a little bit of common sense will go a long way here. Yeah, absolutely. What's important after, following the preventative measures is to boost your immune system, because you just don't know if in case that you do have it, God forbid, but if it does happen, you have a fighting chance of fighting this disease. And also check on your neighbors, create a neighborhood watch thing. Like on my streets like this, they have created that. So those who are vulnerable or those who can't go to the shops because they might be quarantined, there's a designated person that actually, provides them with their daily needs. And that's incredible. And I think if anything else, that neighborliness needs to come back again. Now, it's important that you do increase your fluid intake, which helps a lot because, of course, when you take any fluids, it clears your throat and your stomach would actually, kill any sort of bacteria or virus that is in there. So it's good to increase your fluid intake, hence this recipe. Now, naturally, I'd leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudubyfafa, so do pass by and say hi. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song. And until next time, be safe. Take care of yourself. Me love you guys for you. Isabella.